Hey, folks! How are you all doing? Today I'm here to share my experience with a product that has made all the difference in my life. If you're dealing with the constant nuisance of ringing in your ears, then this review is especially for you. Keep watching to find out how Auritine has revolutionized my journey to well-being and hearing. My name is Carla, and like you, I've also suffered from the annoying ringing in the ears, also known as tinnitus. As a high school teacher, my hearing is a crucial part of my work and daily life. Lately, the ringing in my ears has become a constant and irritating presence, affecting my concentration during classes and even interfering with my sleep. Desperate for a solution, I tirelessly searched for natural and effective alternatives. That's when I discovered Auritine. This product promised a completely natural approach to treating tinnitus, something that immediately caught my attention. I decided to give Auritine a chance and see if it could really make a difference in my life. After just a few weeks of using Auritine, I was impressed with the results. The ringing in my ears began to gradually diminish, and my ability to concentrate improved significantly. It was as if a weight had been lifted off my shoulders, and I could finally enjoy moments of peace that were previously incomprehensible due to the constant annoyance. Best of all, Auritine is completely natural, made with a blend of herbs, minerals, and vitamins. I didn't have to worry about side effects or adverse reactions, which was a huge relief. Now, I feel more confident and comfortable in my own skin, knowing that I have Auritine by my side to help me face the challenges of everyday life. If you're tired of living with the annoying ringing in your ears and want to finally find relief, then I highly recommend giving Auritine a try. Don't wait any longer to regain your quality of life and peace of mind. Click the link below to visit the official Auritine website and place your order today. Remember, Auritine offers a 100% money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk to you. Don't let tinnitus control your life. Take the first step towards relief and recovery with Auritine right now. I promise you won't regret it. Visit the official Auritine website now and experience the power of this amazing product for yourself. It's time to say goodbye to ringing in the ears and welcome a life full of sound and well-being. You deserve it.